The Healthline Folding Walker HL8801 is a versatile mobility aid that provides 4 functions in one device, offering a detachable seat for added convenience. Its width adjustability, ranging from 17.7 inches to 22.4 inches, makes it ideal for maneuvering through narrow spaces and crowded areas. The walker features a unique R-shaped stand assist, which supports a straighter posture and assists users in transitioning from sitting to standing positions. Built with a lightweight yet strong aluminum frame, this walker ensures dependable support and can accommodate users weighing up to 350 pounds. Equipped with 2 skis, this walker is designed to provide stability and ease of movement both indoors and outdoors, with the added benefit of a comfortable seat for resting. The one-hand folding mechanism makes this walker exceptionally easy to store and transport, catering to the needs of individuals who are frequently on the move.